Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, and welcome to the dining room. So today I have a very special kind of video. Well, I think it's fun anyway. Nancy from She's Got Yarn Too and I are doing a Christmas Advent swap, 25 days of Christmas for the first 25 days of the month. And then we decided that we would do a scrap ball swap. I mean, everybody has scrap yarn, right? And we're just going to make a granny square every day for the month of December, except for Christmas Day. We're not going to make one on Christmas Day. I got my box from her in the mail today. This is the scrap yarn. So I sent her 30 little balls of scrap yarn, smaller than this, in all worsted weight. And I tried to get different colors, but some I had to go more of one color. Like I used up a bunch of navy blue because, you know, I have granddaughters and I like pinks and oranges and more girly kind of colors. So our plan is that we're going to make I think it's a 6x6 or 5x5 granny square every day. Join it as we go. I'm going to use the yarn that she sent me in this box. I don't know if they're numbered or if I just pick one out. Mine are not numbered for her. She's just going to pick a bag, can't see what it is, and add it to the blanket. And then every day we'll show our blanket as part of our Advent, our Advent, Christmas Advent gift box thing. And at the end of the month, we'll have a blanket that will be an appropriate size for Boggy Creek, Camp Boggy Creek, that we're doing the drive for, the blanket drive for. If you don't know, there's a video attached in this email about Boggy Creek Camp. That is a camp that does, they take in children with major illnesses, kids that wouldn't ordinarily be able to go to camp because their illness would prevent them. They wouldn't have the medical care that they need, but Boggy Camp provides that care. It's free of charge. The families get to go for a weekend as well. Also free of charge. Very, very cool. Watch the video if you haven't. I can't say enough about the camp. It is in Florida, and we're sending blankets to Nancy. And Billy is involved in this as well. Billy the Crafty Floridian. She is also helping to raise the blankets with us. It's a collab that we're doing, the three of us. And we go on Billy's Live every other week, every other Thursday, and talk about it. Show the blankets that have come in. You guys have shown massive support, and I'm very, very impressed. So Nancy and I, anyway, we decided as part of our Christmas swap, we would do these little granny squares out of yarn that we also sent to each other. And as I said, this is the box. It just came today. And this idea popped into my head. I do Monday Make-Along. I've been doing that with the Ugly Christmas Sweater. There's a hashtag for hashtag Ugly Christmas 2022. You make a garment, and you send me a picture, or you post it on my Facebook group page. Everything's linked in the description box. And at the end of December, I'm going to be done with mine. Hopefully it should be next week, by Monday, because that's when I'm contracted. Hobie sponsored the yarn for mine. Anybody else can make what they want. And you have till the end of December. Then at the beginning of January, I'm going to do a giveaway for that. So I'm enjoying the Monday Make-Along and the participation and seeing everybody's progress and their finished objects, because a lot of people are done already. So what I want to do is continue my Monday Make-Along with you. Take some scrap. Everybody's got scrap. And make a granny square every day. And then once a week, send me pictures. And Nancy's going to do it too. We're going to do it together. Send pictures. We'll post your pictures in our, at the end of our videos. I'm doing mine on Mondays because it's Monday Make Along. I love doing the Monday Make Along, and I want to keep it going and do like a scrap blanket and make a donation. It would be really nice if it went to Boggy Creek, but if it doesn't, make a scrap blanket and give it to, a local hospital, a daycare, a dog shelter. Animal shelters require a lot of blankets. But it's something to do with your scrap yarn, put you in a holiday spirit, participate and join in with others doing it. I hope others do it. I know it's Christmas, you got a lot going on and it might be difficult. But really a square doesn't take that long. Sit down, relax for a minute, take a few minutes, make a square. Join them as you go. It makes it easy for a blanket. And you can, give a gift at the end. If your squares are like, I think we're doing 5 rows, and I think that's like almost a 6-inch square. And so at the end, it can be a small blanket size, Afghan size, help keep somebody warm. This or an animal, make 2. That's cut it in half, make 2, make 1. Just do half as many, and dog blanket, really nice. Baby blanket size. Just use up some of your scrap yarn, make something for a gift for someone, and join us in our scrap blanket. I guess we need to come up with a name for that. We were just going to do it, and at the end we'd have an extra blanket for Boggy Creek. And you can too. Or you can, so we're going to call it Boggy Blanket. I don't know. Boggy Blanket. That's, I think, what we're going to do. Monday Make Along, Boggy Blanket. I don't know. Anyway, you can join us. We would be glad to have you participate. What we're doing is, every day, we're going to open our gift for our gift exchange. And then we're going to, these are wrapped, so we don't know what they look like. And we're going to open a scrap and make a square to have a blanket at the end. So you can just, randomly reach in, or you can plan it out and make a scrap of your scrap. Make a scrappy blanket of your scraps. So Boggy scrap blanket, or doggy scrap blanket, or baby scrap blanket. And you don't have to make squares, but squares are easy. If you've made one granny square, just regular granny stitch, you can make 100 of them. And, even if you're a beginner, a granny square is not a difficult project to make. And, you can participate. Anyway, that's what I'm hoping for. That's what Nancy and our collab is we're going to reach out. It's just a spur of the moment. I just really kind of thought of it. I think this morning, and I called her and I said, hey, how about if we do this? And she said, yesterday morning, because this is coming out on Tuesday. And she said, for a month, sure. Why not? I said, just, every Monday, show the blanket. We probably will show our blankets more often, but maybe not now that it's going to be Monday Make Along. You'll see the yarn every day that I open, but you see the blankets on Mondays. And if you participate, just email me pictures or put them on my Facebook group page. There's no trouble to enter to become a member of the Facebook group page. It's just a really good venue for me to find you. And I guess we're going to have to do a hashtag for that so that I can find you. So if you post a picture of scrap blankets, we're going to start it on December 1st. You can start posting pictures of your desire to, your first square or row or whatever. Post as often as you want. We're going to go hashtag. I better write it down so I don't forget. Let's go hashtag Christmas scraps. Hashtag, not Christmas, because some people don't celebrate Christmas. How about hashtag well, give me some ideas. in the comments below, give me some ideas of what kind of hashtag we can use, because it's not really a Christmas blanket. Hopefully it's a donation blanket. It's definitely a scrap blanket is the idea behind this. So what do you guys think? Scrappy blankie, something simple. I want something simple that would represent the scraps so that we can, the scrap blankets, so that we can easily, and probably it should have a 22 in there, because if this is successful, we'll do it again next year or throughout the year. Because everybody's always looking for a good way to get rid of scraps, right? So Monday make-along scraps. So we could do MAL scraps 22. I don't know. We'll have to see if that's even something already. So anyway, come up with some ideas on what kind of hashtag we should use, just so that we can easily pull it up for posting pictures. And then there's always email for me, or Nancy, same thing. And if we use a hashtag, you don't even have to post them to a Facebook group page. I think you can pull them up even if the hashtag is in the description. You know what I mean? Put your picture and you put something about whatever your picture is. I don't know what they call that. If you put the hashtag in there, I think even if you're not a member of the Facebook group page, your pictures will come up. So anyway, think about it. Suggestions are welcome. And just put them in the description box below. I hope you join in. I hope this is fun. It sounds like a fun thing to me. I always like people to participate. So let's go with that. And that's going to be what I'm doing for December for Monday Make Along. And like I said, I hope to see your projects. I hope you participate. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.